Hello everyone, Rahul is with you, and today I will tell you and show you how to use my signals and start making money from them. Believe me, it is very simple and each of you will come with it. So all you need to do, follow my instructions and you will be able to get a very good profit right now. So let's not waste the time and start checking my signals in practice. So as soon as possible. All my signals from this video and many others you can find in my private channel. We share daily working and profitable signals. So for trading, follow the link in the description and join my team and start earning with us. Friends, as I said, it is very simple and profitable. Signals are just instructions for opening a trade in the trading. You just need to repeat my instructions and you will be able to earn your first profit. And now let's move on to my favorite Olymp Trade platform. And now imagine that you are the one who is leaving. What should you do next? It's simple. You wait for my signals from the private channel and use them. And now I will show you how to use them correctly. So guys, we open my private channel and see the last signals. A lot of words that are incomprehensible to you. But do not be afraid. I will be explaining everything now. At the very beginning of this signal, we see a currency pair of the index, which is what we need to put in our trading session. In the last signals, the Crypto Composite Index is worth it. That is what we need to put at home. So go back to the platform and change the index. Repeat everything after me and you will be success. Here we see our necessary Crypto Composite Indexes, which is exactly what we are setting. Now we need to set the right time from the signal, namely 5 minutes. Now I have 30 seconds and this value needs to be changed to 5 minutes. Open the timer tab and set 5 minutes. The last thing we need to do is open a signal in the right direction. My signal shows that the signal is for a decrease and we need to open a deal in this direction by simply pressing the down button. Guys, and don't forget about the most important thing, you need to open a deal as quickly as possible when you receive a new signal, so as not to increase the chances of failure. So follow my private channel and repeat my instructions. This is a pass signal, so I will not take any risk and will not open a deal. But you can find the result of my pass signal in my private channel. And of course, choose the amount of the transaction yourself as you want. You can start and open the trade on my signal with the amount, any amount, $5 or $100. It doesn't matter. It all depends on your balance. Friends, that's it. Everything is very simple and now let's make a result. First, put the right indicator or currency pair. Second, that the last right time for the transaction. Third, choose the right and comfortable amount for you. And the last, do not hesitate and immediately open a deal on my signals in the right direction. Everything is very simple and profitable. Anyone who wants to make money from the trading can do it. That's all friends. I help you figure out how to use my signals correctly. Do not forget that in my private channel, I publish a lot of signals daily or you earnings on the trading. And Rahul was with you and see you soon again guys.